Hi, my name's Kevin Roth from the Pennypack Ecological Restoration Trust. I'm here with
Jackie Kent.
and she's from the Philadelphia Metro Wildlife Center in Philadelphia. Today we're starting something really special, and it's a new partnership between the Pennypack Trust and the Philadelphia Metro Wildlife Center. The Pennypack Trust has 852 acres of preserved land, and what the Philadelphia Wild Metro Center does is they rehabilitate wild animals, and they always need a place to release them to.
Yeah.
So here we are today starting a brand new partnership with them. We couldn't be happier to accept their animals here. They do a phenomenal job at rehabilitating them. And today we have a special treat. We have a screech owl, an eastern screech owl.
Yeah, so this little guy that I have in the box, he was an eastern screech owl that we got as an orphaned baby. We get injured and orphaned wildlife at the Philadelphia Metro Wildlife Center, and that's what we do. We take them and with the goal to release them back into the wild, which is where the Pennypack Trust comes in, because when we get them in as infants, we can release them to suitable habitat. Adults usually go back to where they came from, but we get a lot of babies every year, so it's great to have a nice, quiet place where we can safely release them. So he was raised with us from a very tiny baby, with other screech owls. One by one, we test them to see if they're ready to be out in the wild. So this little guy just passed his test and he's ready to go. He's the last one of our 8. So we're very excited to have such a beautiful place for him to come and live out, hopefully, the rest of his life.
And these 2 kestrels came to us as nestlings, separately, fallen from their nests. They were only a few weeks old when they came to us, so we raised them from babies in various stages, keeping them from imprinting on humans, keeping them wild was our goal, and also taking strategies to ensure that they would learn how to hunt successfully and catch live prey. They have done that. They are stone-cold little predators despite their cute appearance, so we wish them luck in their new wild life. So even though these guys are only like 2.5 to 3 months old, they're considered juveniles, old enough to be independent. They're very small, but they're not. They've already reached their full size. They're not going to get any bigger. They are Pennsylvania's smallest falcon. When they came in, they were only a little bit smaller, but very fuzzy feathers. You can hear him yelling up there already, enjoying his new life. And they went through several stages when we were raising them. First, we were cutting up very small bits of mouse and hand feeding them, obscuring our faces so that they did not imprint on us. Then they graduated to whole prey, then they graduated to live prey, and they're fully independent now. We can tell he took a few minutes to survey his surroundings, but then he did a thing called rousing his feathers, shaking his feathers out. The other one flew off and took advantage of his new freedom in his wings.